First of all, I really love welding. It's so satisfying to be able to, build something and see it from start to finish, and, it's a great career, really. My name is Lindsey Knowles, and I'm a welding instructor at Charter College. I graduated high school, went into the Army. I did communications with them, satellites, phones, internet, that kind of stuff. And then I got out of the military. I worked for retail for loss prevention. Then I finally decided that I wanted to try welding. I like the fact that it's a career school, so they kind of train you the same way as the military does. You pick the job that you want to do, you get into the job, and you just do it. My first welding job, we had a nuclear contract, so I got to work on flux core. That's what we mostly did with them. We were making a nuclear housing for the reactor. I worked for another company. We built the new structural area for Disneyland, which was kind of fun. I also worked on an ammonia barge, and we built a bridge that we got to ship through the Panama Canal on the 4th largest barge in the world. So that was pretty cool. Working with other people and being able to teach them, and watch them learn and grow, and when something just clicks for them, it's the most exciting feeling when they're just super excited about whatever they just figured out, whether it's a process or being able to fit something together or whatever it is, just that spark that people get when they're learning something and they finally get it.